Refrigerators have become such a key part of our lives that it is hard to imagine life before their invention. They are used at home to extend the shelf life of perishable food items, to keep food and drinks cold and crisp at all times, and to store heat-sensitive drugs. Given its massive importance in our lives, it is important to invest in the best refrigerators in the market that can provide you with the maximum benefits. Hello, guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to tell you about the top 10 refrigerators companies in the world. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Whirlpool. Whirlpool has always been a trusted brand when it comes to home appliances. Whirlpool produces some of the best refrigerators which are energy efficient, show high performance, are silent, available for the best prices in the market, and are long-lasting. According to Yale Appliance, Whirlpool is the most reliable and least serviced appliance brand in 2020. Ranker voters have also listed Whirlpool as its #1 home appliances brand. Whirlpool refrigerators accommodate an immense amount of storage and have various compartments for the storage of different types of food and drinks, for different occasions. So if you're looking for a basic refrigerator with low tech, Whirlpool is the best refrigerator brand for you. 2. Samsung. Samsung is a world leader in producing appliances and electronics. It also happens to be a top refrigerators company that produces various models of refrigerators including very energy-efficient smart refrigerators. Samsung refrigerators' key features include Wi-Fi connectivity, ice makers, and a warranty that lasts 5 to 11 years, depending on the model. They are built to last long and come in multiple sizes, prices, designs, and features. Samsung also has refrigerators that have high appliance reliability. The diversity of models offered by Samsung refrigerators makes it the best refrigerator brand for any budget level. 3. LG. LG is an electronics company that offers various top-notch home appliances, including some of the best refrigerators. LG is a top refrigerators company that offers top-quality refrigerators for every budget. They have innovative features that include Wi-Fi and app accessibility. Attractive features of LG refrigerators include LED display, temperature control, ice maker, and its long-lasting guarantee. If you are looking for the best refrigerators that are stylish and have impressive and easy-to-operate technology like smart screens, then you will like the wide range of models that LG offers. 4. Panasonic. Panasonic offers a wide range of refrigerators in all price ranges. It has become one of the top refrigerators companies, whose refrigerators are favored by the lot for the distinguished features Panasonic provides. Some features that make it one of the best refrigerator brands include an LED touch control panel, space for boxed spices, humidity control, height-adjustable glass shelves, and gentle cooling. Panasonic has earned customer trust because of its durability and long-lasting nature. Panasonic manufactures high-quality refrigerators and their technology is constantly upgraded to keep up with consumer needs. 5. Hitachi. The refrigerator range Hitachi is popular around the world. They are quite efficient in performance and offer features that determine it as a top fridge company. Hitachi's innovation and development have resulted in top-quality refrigerators. They use advanced scientific designs that help prevent the loss of vitamins and other important acids from refrigerated food items. Hitachi's best refrigerator models include French doors, double doors, and 6 doors models. Adjustable door pockets, heat and weight-resistant tempered glass, eco-friendly refrigerant, touch screen control, and water dispenser are a few features from some models. Thank you, guys, for watching.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest appliance trends and technologies, providing expert opinions. Here, you'll get updated on the latest home appliance news and exclusive content. We also provide reliable service that uses the latest tools and technology to fix any appliance issues, ensuring flawless functionality. Also check out our website at www.ayappliancecompany.com for home appliance installation, repair, and home tech services. With just one click, you can book our services and have help on the way. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in home appliances and technology.